Bowman draft. God, I've opened a lot of these in my day. Pack 1, James. Good luck. Derek Byers. Chris R. Spot 2. Good luck, Chris. Andre Iguodala. Jersey. I believe that is not a rookie, actually. Here we go. Spot 3, Jesse. Vince Carter, Kevin Martin, Ray Allen. Nothing. Here's 4. David Foder. Good luck, David. Going for the Durant. DJ Strawberry, Daryl's son. You all remember DJ. Spot 5. James. You just refresh this bad boy. Spot 6, Tony Hockman. Good luck, Tony. Here's 7, David Glazer. Good luck, David. Gold? Julian Wright. That would have been a really nice. Durant. Spot 8. Chris R. Jamison Curry. Okay, we're up to spot 9. There we go. Ryan Springer. Welcome to Vintage Breaks, my dude. A Kevin Durant rookie.
Nice.
A Bowman Durant.
Really? It's numbered?
Yeah, they're numbered.
Every one of them?
Yeah. Durant rookies, yeah. All the rookies are numbered.
Awesome. Numbered to what?
$29.99.
How's it look?
It's got a little touch on the corner. Still not definitely worth the price of a pack. Spot 10.
Graded?
If it was perfect.
So they're not worth it at 9s?
Nah, it's probably basically what the raw card would sell for.
Okay.
If it was chrome, it'd be a different story.
Okay, or like one more limited one.
Yeah, like
sure.
TJ4
Number
Black
50 or
Refractor.
something.
Exactly.
Sure.
Interesting. Robert, thanks for staying late for John.
Okay, spot 11. Maxwell. Double jersey, Al Horford. 19 of
Hey, what's up,
25.
Phil? Welcome back, Kurt. Hey, Brad. How's it going, bud? We're wrapping up after this box. We are right in the middle of a 2007 Bowman Draft basketball, looking for some KD rookie action. We just got one, but they also have lower numbered
And
parallel rookies. Good luck, everybody.
James Naylor, you up? Here we go. Spot 14, Maxwell. Good luck, Maxwell. Nothing. Okay, spot 15, Chris. Joaquin Noah. Oof. Okay, 16 down the home stretch, Maxwell. Good luck. Ben Gordon. 2 more spots. Last 2 of the night, and we're wrapping it up. Ryan. Marcus Williams. Last chance for something big. Belongs to Michael Butler. Oh, that would have been nice. Demetrius Nichols out of 99. I don't think he's in the league anymore. Any league for that matter. Demetrius Nichols. Ryan, you're welcome. Thank you, everybody. And we are going to wrap it up. We'll see you guys on Thursday. Bright. What's that? What's that? Oh yeah, guys, need the 10 to 11. Let's get that going real quick. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. God, everyone's going to be winning. 10 to 11. First spot's a Fleer set break. Second's a fun bag. Then we have 58 Mantle spot, 60 Clemente spot, T206 spot, Lajoie spot, I should say, and the YA Tittle. We're going to roll 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 86 Fleer spot, Michael Butler. Here. Fun bag spot, Maxwell, Bacon. Thank you. Fifth, oh, this one goes too. So this is spot 6, Maxwell. Let's give it Maxwell as well.
Right.
And then the 60, 58 Mantle spot, Michael Butler. I'm good for now. Pretty good. $60 Clemente goes to Chris R. T206 Lajoie, Ryan Springer, spot in the Lajoie. Congratulations, and that would be it. Okay, guys, we're done.
Did you give away the 10 to 11 o'clock?
Hold on.
Great.
Thanks very much, guys. Looking forward to seeing everyone Thursday.